Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have operator access and a control method: server panel, SSH shell, or Archon client. First, open the console and confirm the server process and active world to avoid hitting the wrong instance. Once connected, run non-destructive commands. Say to broadcast, list to view players, and op yourself only if needed. Make sure to avoid immediate destructive commands. These first actions establish control and verify you're in the correct environment before deeper changes. Next, you move into detailed execution. Schedule a save all, then save off before editing files or running mass operations. Save on afterward. Use game mode, difficulty, time set, and whether clear to change state quickly for events or maintenance. If you manage remotely, connect via Archon to run scripted batches, log outputs, and track command ID so you can audit changes. Once done, confirm player state and world integrity. These steps prevent corruption and let you automate repetitive tasks safely. Finally, finish by committing changes. Run save all and then stop to ensure all chunks write to disk, then create a backup of world and server properties before any further edits. After restarting, verify the server boot logs and run list to confirm players and plugins loaded correctly. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip: immediately restore the most recent backup and inspect latest. Log for stack traces and plugin errors. Revert recent plugin or config changes one at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.